Coffee bean roaster is also called coffee bean baking machine. The taste of coffee is closely related to its baking effect. The structure of this machine is reasonable and it is very convenient to use. There are two kinds of coffee roasters, electric heating and gas heating. The gas tank shall be connected before using the gas heating baking machine. Turn on the machine, pour in the materials, and adjust the size of the dust collection fan. Take samples with scope and observe the baking of the materials. After the effect is achieved, open the outlet and the coffee beans fall into the cooling plate. Baking temperature and time can be set. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us.